è un'emozione, sarà perché ti amo. Hello guys, welcome back. One of the best songs of my childhood, Ricchi and Poveri, a super famous Italian band back in the 80s, guys. This is a super nice summer song for a super nice, fresh, healthy and delicious summer salad. Let's say with the Sicilian touch. Yes, guys, because we're gonna make a very nice eggplant salad, and we're gonna cook this eggplant a funghetto. Some olive oil, chopped garlic, nice cut in cubes, roasted and added to this salad. Let's see the other ingredients. A very nice lettuce as a base, 2 super delicious and fresh tomato, garlic, some very nice and fresh basil leaves, and of course extra virgin olive oil, salt, and this very light and tasteful feta cheese, guys. Alright, so first thing first, we're gonna take care of our eggplant. We're gonna cut it in small cubes, guys. Cut in stripe first, and then cubes. Alright, after we chop our eggplant, we're gonna take 1, 2 and 3 garlic cloves, and we're gonna chop it very nice. Alright, we peel it first. Here you are, very nice chop. Now it's time to switch on our fire. Extra virgin olive oil, couple of rounds of extra virgin olive oil, and we put our garlic first. We make it nice and blonde as usual, guys. Here we are. Look how nice our garlic is freezing. Now it's the time to add our eggplant. Pinch of salt always, guys, to help our vegetable to release their water. And we let it roast it for about 7-8 minutes. In the meantime, our eggplant are roasting. We prepare the base of our salad. And this is gonna be our base. In the meantime, after we cut our salad, we're gonna cut our tomato in 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, and we cut in half. Here we are. Look how perfectly roasted are our eggplant. Soft, roasted, and super delicious. Switch off the fire, and we add to our fresh summer salad. Let's cut our feta cheese. Now we finally chop our fresh basil. One last round of extra virgin olive oil. And our super fresh summer roasted eggplant and feta cheese salad is ready. Mamma mia, ragazzi, so fresh and so colorful and full of different layers of taste and flavors. This reminds me my childhood, my summertime, and my amazing salad, always with this special kick of a Sicilian cuisine, because my grandmother was from Sicily, guys. So make it at home and feel the same sensations I used to have when I was a kid in the summertime, guys. And of course, another nice recipe always with your chef Paolo. Se vedemo. Bye bye!